All right, so here's my Texas rig set up. It's a favorite balance. This is a 7-1 medium heavy fast, moderate fast, excuse me. It's a moderate fast rod. My weight today is a 5/8 tungsten made by Reaction Tackle with a Death Dealer ribbon tail, big worm, eagle claw hook, some Reaction Tackle, fluorocarbon and 12-pound fluorocarbon. So we're just gonna throw this thing out and just drag it along the bottom. Make long cast, let it sink down. Man, that sun's right coming up that water. Shades back on here so I can see y'all. So we're gonna just let it sink down, just drag it across the bottom. See what we can come across. See if I can find them on the side imaging out here in the middle. I do have some bigger worms. I got some big, almost a damn foot long. But yeah, that's all we're gonna do. Texas rig. I like my Texas rig to be pegged. I don't like that sinker run up and down the line. I like to get it on down to the bottom where I can drag it. There's a fish. Ah, you missed it. You missed it. You missed it. You missed it. Might have been a little one. You didn't get that whole worm in his mouth. It's a pretty big worm for a little fish, but throw it back out there and see. Might have been a brim hitting it. He kind of said boop boop. We'll fish this for the last hour. There he is. That's a good fish. Not all that big, but you can tell. Let me show you something with your little fish. He had that whole worm down in his mouth. He had that whole worm down in his mouth. But what I'm talking about, pegging it, it's just that bobber stopper pushed down. That's all. Yeah, it's not what they wanted all along. I want the big suckers to hit it. Take me for a ride. For a ride, Clyde. Keeps pegging at it. He keeps pegging at it. Pecking, pecking, pecking. I'm in about 9 foot, 10 foot of water right here. I bet they would eat up a shaky head today. You know, I throw my bigger shaky heads on the spinning or bait caster. My smaller shaky heads I throw on a spinning reel. I just feel like on them bigger ones I can get a better hook set. And get a better hook set on it. Any of my folks out there like baseball? Who's your favorite baseball team? Mine's the Atlanta Braves. I grew up on Atlanta Braves. I grew up on the LA Dodgers. But I am an Atlanta Braves fan. There's a fish. He wanted it right there at the boat. Crapola. Crapola. But we're talking about baseball. Who all out there played baseball? Leave me a comment. Tell me who you played for. High school, college, recreation ball. I don't care. I'm just a baseball type guy. I love me some baseball. I just like rambling sometimes. Hey, it passes the time out here on the road. Oh, that's an alligator or what? Keep popping up out there. Might be a turtle. Might be an old turtle. I like to drag it sideways like that, dragging it sideways, almost like when you drag a Carolina rig, you know, you're dragging it sideways. We ain't kicking up a little bit. I like fishing big worms in the summertime, man. You can get really good bites on them. Really big bites. Really big bites. Just dragging that worm. About 13 foot of water there. That'd be yet in this deeper water. is Mr. Alligator right there. Yeah, just dragging that Texas worm along the bottom. That's all I'm doing. A little deeper water here. Pull my hood off now, that sun ain't as hot. There's some fish right there on the bottom. That's a good fish. Yeah, a little one. I thought that was a good one. He hit it like he wanted it. He hit it like he wanted it. Fish taco. Fish taco. Fish taco. That's what I caught him last time on the Brewer. On the Charlie Brewer slider worm right there, Harley. Right in that stretch. That must be. Sunglasses now a little bit. South Georgia gnats. gnats are coming out now, boys. Ain't bothering me all day long. Ain't bothering me all day long. But yeah, that's how the Texas rig is fished. You can drag it, you can bump it, you can unpeg it for that way to run up and down the line, but I like mine pegged. Hey, y'all hadn't heard the American Angler Outdoors. If you're a content creator and you want your videos in front of a wider that runs constant, reach out to the American Angler Outdoors. TAAO.live is the website. Give Al a call. He'll get you hooked up, get your stuff on the network, and he's trying to grow the network and the content on there. You can find it on Apple Store, Google Play, Roku TV. So look him up, TAAO.live. And another thing, while I got you on here, USA Kayak Fishing Magazine. Mr. Roy Wigden. I'm a contributor for him. I write articles for him. Go over to his website, usakayakfishing.com, and subscribe. And the June issue is fixing to hit the website. So make sure you subscribe, and so you can receive the issue right to your email. Read some good articles from some good people. If you're into kayak fishing, some good product reviews in there, some good products that advertise with him. Fish don't want to cooperate with me a whole lot today, here and there. We're gonna fish this corner. There's a pipe over that runs out of this, and so we're gonna. Swear that smells like old gator. An old gator. Catching it here shortly. We're gonna head to the house, watch some Braves baseball. We got one more day off from work. I work the weekend. Look here a little closer and see if we can catch at least one more for you on the Texas rig before we go to the house to end the day. Uh-oh. Oh, ankle wheelers are out. But yeah, we just, like I said in earlier videos, we just kind of getting other things on the channel for people to watch besides tournament stuff. And we're going to do some, when the river gets back right, we're going to get back in the river and do some redbreast fishing. The redbreast is known for South Georgia. We can get in there in the river and try to catch us a few, take us some crickets, some top water lures, use an old fiberglass pole and bug a little bit. And bug, bug. I remember my daddy having people paddling. He used to have people paddling up and down the river. Catch some of them big old redbreast, bugging. Just there's a fish. Little old thing, man, eating these big worms. Man, I thought big worms were just supposed to catch big fish. Daggone. Figure these fish might be moving up to feed. That's a fish. Nope. Somebody else's line. I had me a pretty good fish there. Start heading to the hill. Old spider on the trolling motor. Nice, peaceful. Probably need to come in here and do a cold day in this little pond. Come here and catch enough fish for a fish fry. We can do that, can't we? Yeah, we can do that one day. We can do that. We can do that. We gotta figure out how we do some live straight from the kayak. Might have to just use my cell phone, but we need to do that. Just a day on the water with Dan. How about that? End the day on a good one, guys. End the day on a good one. Oh, I might catch one of them big blue cats again. That was fun that day. That was fun that day. Something nibbling at it. Little old bass way out here in the middle. Little old bass out here in the middle. Little dinker. Another fish taco, that's what I call them. I call them fish tacos. Fish tacos. You can make some nice fish tacos out of them. Put them on the Blackstone or whatever. I got a pit boss flat top. There's all kind of fish out here in the center right here. Yeah, that's where they at. I have found them. That's fish. Yeah. I don't know if it's bass, but that's right below me. God. Try something here. Got to try something. Got to try something here. I just want to see what they are. Got to see what they are. That's a lot of fish. They didn't want the big worm.